Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is Apostle Joshua TALENA. I want to wish my friend, my covenant brother, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman, a rare gem, a difference maker, a 4-star general in the army of Jesus, a man that has touched my life in many ways, a man that has added color and beauty to Christianity, a man that is resilient, full of propensity, divine ideas, a man with high tension apostolic grace, high level of the prophetic and the apostolic. I want to wish you a happy birthday. It's a milestone journey to have come this far. I want you to know we, the body of Christ, love you so dearly. You have made an indelible mark in the body of Christ. You are not just the general overseer of Omega Fire Ministry, but you've proven over and over that anyone who calls the name of the Lord and is a child of God, you are a defender of the gospel. You're not just only a defender, confirmation and defense of the gospel. That is who you are. And you're an embodiment of love. You'll never see anyone in trouble, you don't reach out, especially among pastors. In this day where we celebrate all of your good qualities and all the things that the Lord has done for you, we will not fail to tell you we love you. We sincerely love you from our hearts. And we want to thank God that the Lord has given you to us as a gift, especially the body of Christ.